maupayng udto og maupayng pagpaniudto gikan sa University of Science and Technology of Southern Philippines. Kini inyong kachikan sa kautuan. I am David and you're watching Launch Chat. Greetings across the USTP system from Alubihid, Balubal, Cagayan de Oro, Claveria, Hasaan, Oroqueta, Panaon ug Villanueva. Dayon kamo kay atong hisgutan ang tipik sa atong 7-point agenda dynamic ug ang mga nagkadaiyang initiatives and activities sa atong universidad. Sa mas komprehensibo ug pinalingaw na katsikan sa utuhan, kini ang Launch Chat. Trailblazers, we are also honored because we are here at the USTP Alubihid main campus of our USTP system. And of course, kauban nato karong hapon no ang ato ang department chair sa ato ang BS in Cybersecurity, which is the niche program of USTP Alubihid. And of course, ihatod sa ato ang mga maayong balita, activities, initiatives, collaborations, and partnerships sa ilang program. We are honored here with us, Sir Wilfred. Sir, good afternoon.
Mayong hapon, Sir David, and welcome to USTP Main Campus Alubihid.
Ayan. Thank you so much, sir. No, on our previous episode, sir, we already been to Oroqueta, Panaon, and now we're glad here in Alubihid. And of course, excited ato mga ka-trailblazer no para makabalo noon sa ang BS in Cybersecurity because I know for sure na karon pa pud sila makabalo. And even I, sir, no, wala pa pud ko balong nga anaday BS Cybersecurity, which I believe that is timely and relevant pod sa ato ang society. Sir, ato sang before ta mag-start sa atong discussion, ato sang i-greet ang atong mga ka-trailblazers na nananaw sa ato karon across the USTP system.
So ayun, mayong hapon sa tanan, Trailblazers. So hope you are enjoying watching this episode of Launch Chat.
There you go mga ka-trailblazers, no? And now, ato nang hisgutan ang niche program diri sa USTP Alubihid. Sir, could you tell us more about what is BS Cybersecurity and kanusan ni siya na-establish?
Sir David, the program BS Cybersecurity in USTP Main Campus, it is through the BOR resolution of number 249 series of 2022. The approving of the circular offering of the Bachelor of Science in Cybersecurity here in USTP Alubihid. And this program is also included on the programs to be offered here in USTP Alubihid as part of the 5-year development plan of USTP system.
Wow. So, I believe pod sir no kanang si BS in Cybersecurity kay nay relation between the National Cybersecurity Plan. So, pwede ba nato ma-share sa ato mga trailblazers no unsa gyud ang iyang relationship or naabay significance aning program, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, Sir David. The BS Cybersecurity program is designed to provide a interdisciplinary knowledge and skills to for us to be able, especially the students, to be able to contribute to the pool of the cybersecurity professionals in our country as part of the National Cybersecurity Plan. And also, this program also offers a comprehensive understanding on technology, vulnerability assessment, legality, policies, governance, information security, and also digital forensics.
Wow. Na-mention po na ko ganina, sir, no, nga I believe this is really a timely and relevant na course for our society because we are really venturing out to digitalization, and I believe BS Cybersecurity can really help in our community. So, sir, could you tell us kung unsa na or asa na ang ato ang program, no? Kanang naa na ba tayo nabuhat sa atong community or na ba tayo mga initiatives, activities nga ato ang gipalihok, sir, sulod sa gikan na establish ang program?
Yes, sir. As our mandate to bring the expertise to the community, we have several project extension projects that we have implemented all throughout since nag-operate ang BS Cybersecurity. So one of the extension project that we have implemented or conducted is the Project Acuity. So it is a collaborative extension project with the CICC, the Cybercrime Investigation Coordination Center, and also with the support of the DICT Region 10 through its provincial office in Misamis Oriental.
Wow. So, we're very also honored and glad no kay usually si USTP nangita og collaborators, partnerships. But right now, we are very glad to hear na si DICT and at the same time si CICC naghangyo no na makipag-collaborate sa atua. And of course, mga ka-trailblazer, makauban nato later on no ang students, pioneering students and a student pod sa ato ang BS Cybersecurity program. But for now, ato sang i-break ang atong ayos because we will be having our Tatak USTP. Since naa naman ta karon sa USTP Alubihid, atong alamon kung unsa ang ilahang famous nga delicacy or famous na makaon dari para pagbisita ninyo. Sure ko, makakaon yun mo ani.
Pilipit is a beloved snack from Alubihid, Misamis Oriental. Derived from the Tagalog word for twisted, Pilipit is a local variant of shakoy renowned for its soft and fluffy texture, making it a must-try. While shakoy or Pilipit can be either soft and fluffy or denser and crunchier. Both versions are deep-fried and sugar-coated, creating a delightful treat that pairs perfectly with hot coffee or milk. No matter the name, shakoy, Pilipit, pinisi, or linubid, these snacks shares a delicious charm that varies only by region.
Alright mga ka-trailblazers, dungan ta atong itry ang famous Pilipit diri sa Alubihid. Mga on! That's it mga ka-trailblazer for our today's episode na Tatak USTP. Hangtod sa sunod natong mga pagkaon o mga lamiang delicacies dari lang sa Tatak USTP. Alright, going back to our discussion, no, sir, could you tell us more about unsa gini ang Project Acuity? Kanang unsay iyang tumong og tinguha bitaw sa atong community o unsa ang makatabang anipod sa atong mga estudyante, sir?
Yes, Sir David. Regarding sa Project Acuity, first of all, the Cybercrime Investigation Coordination Center, together with the DICT 10, through its provincial office in Misamis Oriental, choose the USTP main campus to be their partner in conducting this Project Acuity. Acuity means anti-cybercrime upscaling initiative for the community. So it was conducted last February 28, 2024. Dirilapod sa Kwan. Dirilapod sa Lourdes, Alubihid. And this initiative of CICC is same rapod sa tuang initiative diri sa BS Cybersecurity, that is to foster the awareness of cybercrime in the community. Kay sometime, most of the time, a cybercrime mag-occur na siya because of the human error by simply clicking the link na wala ta kabalo without prior knowledge on how are we going to investigate simple email or simple text nga ma-receive nato. So it is really important and it is really relevant for us, especially diri sa community sa Lourdes, because since naaman diri ang USTP Alubihid, we make sure that the nearby community here sa ato ang campus is makabenepisyo jud sa mga inisyatiba diri sa ato ang campus.
Alright, sir, that's very good to hear, no, kay I believe pod nga ang ato ang community right now are very into digitalization na, and specifically daghan na pod gagamit og social media, email. That's the time dayon nga matingala sila kay nganong naay tawag sa ila nga bisag kinsa, and then in the worst case scenario, sir, na nailad na or unsa badara, and then And very very pleased no kay kanang naay ingani nga initiative ang ato ang government at the same time si USTP. So right now ato pong tawagon ang ato mga estudyante kung asa makadungog yuta straight from them no kung kumusta ang ilang pagskwela sa kaninga program. So atong i-welcome ang ato ang mga estudyante dari sa USTP Alubiid, particularly ang atong mga students sa BS in Cybersecurity program. Once again, mayong udto kaninyo, Abigail and John. Welcome sa Lunch Chat.
Hello
Okay.
po.
So let's talk about kumusta, no? Kumusta ang inyong pagskwela sa BS in Cybersecurity program, and then why did you choose this program? So start ta kang Abigail.
Okay, so my experience here, it's been challenging, yet
Mhm.
rewarding and exciting.
Yes.
Kasi every day, cybersecurity is evolving, so we get to learn new things. And I am so into cybersecurity because as a child, I am mesmerized by the hackers talaga. Yun lagi nasa isip ko na I am always curious about these things.
Yes.
Tapos yun, so nag-research ako about sa cybersecurity. Buti na lang meron dito.
Alright.
Buti na lang din, si Sir knowledgeable sa cybersecurity. So madami po talaga akong natutunan sa kanya. Then, but yun nga, pinili ko yung cybersecurity kasi I'm into, sabihin natin, hacking. Pero I want to be an ethical hacker.
Alright. So natay gina-term nga ethical
Yes
hacker. So USTP also I believe is known for kanang IT programs no, and then way back then since I was high school mayon din na sila nga si USTP is kanang naday mga kabalomokoan, pero we all know that for now na ay ginatawag nga ethical hacker, and I believe also nga this could really benefit our society as well,
Yeah.
no, in a good manner or in a good way pod. And I believe also na diverse no ang inyong answer kay naatay from by the way from what ano?
Actually, I'm a transferee from Ortigas Pasig.
Okay.
From AMA Colleges din, which is my course din dun is BE Cybersecurity din po.
Alright. So curious ako kung bakit mo pinili yung USTP.
Main reason po talaga is yung parents ko nag-transfer dito. Then, USTP lang po ang nag-o-offer ng cybersecurity here in Mindanao. And ang ayaw ko lang din dun po sa Manila is online lagi kami. So, hindi ako makapag hands-on. Yun yung gusto ko kasi yung hands-on na practices.
Yes, I believe also na experience is the best way of learning, di
Yes
ba?
po.
And we also thank you no for choosing USTP as your second home away from home. Alright, so ato pong ilailahon karon no ang isa sa atong student nga naa sa atong lunch chat. Walay layon si John. John, you may introduce yourself first, and then could you tell us kung kumusta ang imong pag-eskwela, and then why did you choose BS Cybersecurity?
Good afternoon, sir. I'm just John Christian Ella Sintista from Cybersecurity. Ang pagsulod na ko aning cybersecurity nga course, sir, is challenging and rewarding. Kuan pud may ka na mga sulod pud may na mga webinar and seminars to earn certificates and earn credentials while you learning, kumbaga. And I chose cybersecurity to explore cybersecurity and hacking.
Alright. So, balik ta kanimo sir. Kanang unsa to mga job opportunities after nila mo graduate, if ever nga mukuha pud no ang kanang nananaw sa ato karon nga interested mo enroll in BS Cybersecurity program, and of course these students.
Yes, sir. I always tell them every time sa mga klase that they must explore themselves on cybersecurity, because puhon pag manarbaho na sila, they will be a cybersecurity analyst, specialist, and network specialist, network analyst, network security analyst, and more on securing the network as a whole in an organization, in an industry, or in a company.
Sir, we are very much curious no, and even ay katong giingon nila ganina kung unsa ang ethical hacking.
Yes, sir. I always tell them during sa mga klase that they should instill in their mind na papun pag manarbaho sila dili sila mo explore sa kay namatay klase-klase nga mga klase-klase sa mga hackers. We have the white hat hackers, the blue hat hackers, the gray hat hackers, and the black hat hackers. So katong mga black hat hackers mo to sila tong ginatawag nga katong they're doing hacking para makaguba sa isa ka organization.
Yes.
So when we talk about ethical hacking, it is by performing vulnerability testing, penetration testing on the network itself sa sulod sa organization to help the organization itself nga para ma-secure ma-strengthen ang ilang security sa ilang network para dili sila dili sila dali ma-intrude or dili sila dali ma-hack sa mga ginatawag nato nga mga black hat hackers.
Alright. So, klaro kay to no na ang ato ang ethical hacking is also into security no sa ato ang data and all of those things nga kanang gasulod sa ato ang technology no. And sir, balik ta sa Project Acuity no. I believe John here is also one of the students kung asa naka sa seminar no. Ato siyang pangutanon sir kung kumusta no ang imuhang experience sa atong Project Acuity, and then unsa atong natun-an nga pwede nato nga ma-share no sa ato ang mga colleagues, classmates, and sa atong community.
Sa atong training nga nahitabo sa dire sa Lourdes sir is gitudlo nila sa mo ang mga different cyber attacks and mga safety measurements para ma-avoid ka ng cyber risk. So ang main yun nila nga gikuha nagto is sa ako lang nadumduman ang ilang yung gi-tackle agto kay sa pag-avoid sa anang scamming no. So dapat yun mindful ka sa pag-communicate sa mga through online. So para kanang dili ka ma-scam bitaw o dili ka magpatakag share sa mga kanang private information nimo like bank accounts and personal passwords or personal accounts. So muna to sir.
All right, thank you so much no, and we are also thankful that our students gained a lot from this program. And of course, we believe also na these students, once na ma-aware, and even other students, so once ma-aware na certain things, they'll become a catalyst for change po sa atong society. Kaya the more aware atong society, the more ta protected and then secured, no? Especially sa ato ang digital platforms and technology no nga side. So for Abigail no, could you tell us kung naabay or ano ba yung mga i-look forward natin sa BS in Cybersecurity in the near future?
Look forward. In terms of trabaho, very since bago siya, maraming job opportunities which is very good. Ang nasa vision ko ngayon, tatapusin ko talaga tong course na to kasi meron na akong goal. Maganda yung goal. So, yun lang. Isa rin sa gusto ko is, gusto kong sabihin is sa mga future students ng BS Cybersecurity is, keep on, be curious always, and keep on learning.
Ayan, be curious always and
Yes.
keep on learning. So we should instill that no in mind, especially sa ating mga aspiring no na BS Cybersecurity na students. And sir, last question sir, or last na statement na pwede na mahatag sa itong mga trailblazers. What could you say to our trailblazers out there na kanang looking forward no na mag-enroll sa ato ang BS Cybersecurity program, and of course for those nga wala pa kabalo on sa ang BS in Cybersecurity?
Yes sir. For our trailblazers out there nga nanaw karon sa tuang kwan Landshot, and also for the oncoming first year, which is senior high school pa karon nga mga estudyante that is willing to dive in on the world behind cybersecurity. Aside from sakto tong giingon ni Abby, no, always be curious and keep on learning, because cybersecurity is evolving nowadays as well as the technology. So we must also evolve our learnings, not just in the four corners of our classroom, but also during our free time. Pwede ta nga mag-search sa kuan sa internet. There are lots of information that we can gather through internet. And yeah, one thing that we can assure that we are always willing and we are eager nga mag-impart og knowledge sa to mga students in order for them to really realize, or in order for them to really know or instill to their minds nga ang BS cybersecurity is not just hacking something, hacking someone, no? So we are training people who are the guardians of their own cyberspace sa puon-puhon.
Alright. I love that, no, guardians sa ato ang cyberspace. And of course, very inspiring ang atong kautuhan karon, no. And personally myself, dagan kay ko natuanaan from ethical hacking and then all those types of hackers, and of course sa atong Project Acuity. And thank you so much for gracing us this kautuhan, no, and of course sa atong mga trailblazers nga nananaw sa ato akaron, because I believe that this is really a pivotal na stage, no, sa atong university, that we can really say that USTP is advancing its sustainable future, and at the same time we are really a science and technology institution. And I'm sure po nga dagan natunan na ito mga ka-trailblazers nga nananaw sa mailang mga tagsa-tagsan gadgets unsa pa dala nga platforms ang ilang gigamit para makatanaw sa itong episode for this kautuhan. And then for that, our Project Acuity, or the BS Cybersecurity in the University 7-point Agenda Dynamic, falls under letter M, which is to maintain and strengthen extension services and maximize utilization of their outputs to contribute to economic development. And that's it for today's episode nga puno og pagtulunan, and of course kalingawan uban ang ato mga trailblazers diri sa ato ang main campus sa USTP system, ang USTP Alubihid. Thank you so much, Abigail, John, and Sir. And of course sa ato mga trailblazers dara, uban na gyapon mi sa sunod nato nga episode diri lang sa Launch Chat.